To fix the Shop app when it's not working, first ensure you have access to the platform. You can download it from the App Store by searching for it. If you're experiencing issues, make sure you're using a mobile device, as the Shop app is only available for download on these devices. Although you can manage its settings on a desktop, a stable internet connection is also necessary. So try using your cellular data instead of a wireless network or virtual private network. Additionally, ensure your operating system is up to date, as outdated software can cause issues. The Shop app is available on iOS versions 11.0 or later, and for Android, version 5.0 or later. For smartphones and supported tablets, it's also important to use the most recent version of the Shop app. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with the Shop app not working.